Amazing solar water fountain from Wavetra Energy. Wow, you can put this anywhere. You can put it in a swimming pool. You can use it to decorate your garden. It doesn't have any battery, only solar panel. No maintenance is needed. Just leave it and it will beautify your environment. This is amazing. Like I said, you don't need any battery. To give your environment this beautiful green scene. No battery, no maintenance is needed. As long as there is sun, it will work. Solar water fountain pump from Wavetra Energy in stock right now.